In this tutorial, we will show you how to add a side task. First, navigate to the Location tab, and click Side Tasks. On the right-hand corner, you should see a button that says, Create New Record. Click this and you can then add desired side task on this page. Enter all or mandatory information. Once done, press the Save Record button and you will see a confirmation message. If you need to quickly go back and edit something, you can navigate to Actions menu available in each record. You can also delete a record by simply navigating to Actions menu. A prompt will appear displaying "Are you sure to delete?" Please note that all deleted records are available in Trash for a permanent delete or restore. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more help tutorials.